Hello and welcome to another Motivational Monday. I am David Lewis. You know, all of us at one time or another come face to face with problems we cannot solve or situations we cannot approve or accomplish because someone or something else is standing in our way. Of course, we can sometimes go around the roadblock and get to the other side or convince the person to move along who is standing in the way. But sometimes that doesn't work and there is nothing we can do about it but move on to the next thing on our list of things to do. When things are out of your ability or responsibility to control, focus on what you can do to improvise or create something you can have that you will have control over and let the others go so you can keep moving forward. We all possess talents we are good at that are easier for us than trying to do things that are outside of our comfortability. That doesn't mean you ignore things that are hard or difficult for you and just take the easy route every time. Stretching yourself is also important, and it can help you grow and develop new skills and new expertise through learning new things. But there is an old proverb that states, "A man's gift will make way for him and bring him before a great king." Sticking to what you do well is usually the best way to experience the kind of success that endures and brings you lasting joy and pleasure. There's a very successful book out there entitled, "Do What You Love and the Money Will Follow." Well, that's great advice, and if you love doing something and keep at it, you will probably draw others to you who love what you do as well. Then you can build a great following of those that will bring their resources alongside you, and then you will not have to spend time or energy doing things you can't control or just aren't really good at.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.